Hello and welcome to my SEMrush Keyword Gap Analysis tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keyword Gap Analysis tool to steal the easy to rank keyword from your competitor. By the way, if you want to follow along, then I will give SEMrush free trial link in the video description. Just go and check it out and activate your free trial. So when you will click on the link given in the video description and activate your free trial, then after login to your account, you will see a dashboard like this, which you are seeing in the screen right now. So all you need to do is just click on this SEO tab, and from here click on this keyword gap analysis link. So when you will click on it, then it will open SEMrush keyword gap analysis tool for you. So let me quickly explain what is the use of this tool. So when you will enter your domain name and your competitor domain name in this keyword gap tool, then it will compare your website with your competitor website. It will check all the keyword of your website and also check all the keyword of your competitor website, and then it will tell you what are the missing keywords in your website. It means that what are the articles that your competitor has written in their website, what are the keywords they have covered in their website that you forget to cover in your website. It means that you should also write articles on these keywords so that you can also rank on Google and attract more traffic and get more sales. But here is a quick tip for you. Don't enter those competitor URL who has higher domain authority as compared to your. Okay, so if you will do this mistake and you will enter higher domain authority competitor URL here, then it is useless to do keyword gap analysis, because it will be difficult for you to rank for this keyword because your domain authority is less. So what I will recommend you to enter those competitor URL which have same or less domain authority as compared to your. Okay, so suppose your domain authority is 40, so you should enter those competitor URL who has domain authority 40 or less than 40. I hope you understood. So let me enter two website here. So for example, I want to write SEMrush.com. For giving you a quick demo, I am writing SEMrush.com as my website and Ahrefs.com as my competitor website. Okay, so you should enter your website here and you should enter your competitor URL here. Okay, and you can add up to 3 competitor, but I am going to add just one competitor so you can understand it clearly. Okay, and here you can select the target country and let's click on compare. Okay, so you need to scroll down a little bit and here is the gold mine for you. So let me quickly explain what are these tabs. Okay, what is the meaning of this tab so you can understand it quickly. So say first tab is shared keywords. Shared keywords means these are those keywords for which you and your competitor both are ranking on Google. Okay, it means that you and your competitor both have written articles on this keyword and both are ranking on Google. Okay, next is missing keyword. Missing keywords are those keywords for which your competitor has written article but you forgot to write articles targeting this keyword on your website. Okay, so it means that your competitor has written articles targeting all these keywords but you forgot to write articles on your website targeting these keywords. Okay, so you should write articles on these keywords. I hope you understood. Next is weak keyword. Weak keywords means these are those keywords for which your ranking is less as compared to your competitor. You and your competitor both has written article on all these keywords but your competitor is ranking better as compared to you. Okay, next is the strong keyword. It is just opposite. It means that you and your competitor both has written article targeting all these keywords but your position is strong. You are ranking better as compared to your competitor. Okay, next is untapped keyword. So untapped keyword is same as missing keyword. I don't know why they have added 2 times, but untapped keyword and missing keyword both are same. Okay, next is unique keyword. So unique keyword are those keyword on which you have written article on your website but your competitor has forgot to cover this keyword on their website. Okay, so I hope you understood all these things. So now you may ask, what is the use of this tool? So there is two use case of this keyword gap analysis tool. I will recommend you to do two things after doing keyword gap analysis. Just check this missing tab and this weak tab. Okay, so first one is missing tab. It will show you all the keywords that your competitor has covered on their website but you forgot to cover on your website. Okay, so you should write articles targeting all these keywords so you can also rank on Google for this particular keywords. Okay, and the second tab you should check is weak keyword. Weak keyword will show you all those keywords for which you and your competitor both has written article targeting these keywords, but your competitor is ranking better on Google as compared to your article. So it means that he has written better article as compared to your. So what I will recommend you to do is just compare your article with your competitor article for all these keywords so you can understand what are the things that your competitor has covered in their article that you forgot to cover in your article, and try to make your article better than your competitor article so that you can rank better as compared to your competitor. So for all these keywords you need to update your article by comparing your article with your competitor article. Okay, so that you can rank better as compared to your competitor. And I'm saying that you can outrank your competitor for all these keywords. Why? Because your competitor has same or less domain authority as your. So it means that if you will use some right strategy, you will update the article in the right way, then you can outrank your competitor easily. Okay, so if you will use the right strategy to update your article, if you will provide more value and you will update your article, then definitely you can outrank your competitor easily. Okay, so these are the two things that are important for you. So you will find a missing keyword opportunity. So these are the keywords that are new for you. You can write articles targeting these keywords, and weak keywords are those keywords for which there is chance of improvement in ranking so that you can get more traffic. Okay, and I want to tell you one more thing, that if you want to try this keyword gap analysis tool yourself without paying anything, then I will give the SEMrush free trial link in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I hope you found this keyword gap analysis tutorial video helpful. If you still have any confusion regarding this keyword gap analysis tool, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.